A Citizen's Guide to Understanding and Using Inflation for Budget Analysis. Introduction. Suppose that you live in a country called Inini, and suppose that in the year 2002, your government spent $100 on healthcare. Now imagine that it is the year 2010 and your government has decided to allocate $200 for health in the 2010 budget. Is this a big increase? Has the government shown an increased commitment to public spending on health over the past 8 years? How do we answer this kind of question? This guide will help you to think through exactly this kind of problem. Spending is relative. Of course, we can say that an increase from $100 to $200 is a doubling of spending, or a 100% increase. A doubling of spending sounds like a lot, but a lot relative to what? Suppose that over the same period, the size of the total budget of Inini increased from $10,000 in 2002 to $50,000 in 2010. This is equivalent to an increase of 5 times, or 500% of what we started with. If the health budget doubled, while the rest of the budget increased by 5 times, we would probably say that the increase in the health budget was small, and that health was a lower priority in 2010 than in 2002. You can see that health as a share of the budget has fallen in this scenario. On the other hand, if the total budget went up from $10,000 to $15,000, an increase of only 50%, while health went up by 100%, we might come to the opposite conclusion. You can see that health spending as a share of the budget increased from 1 to 1.3% over the period. All questions about priorities and public spending are relative. In order to answer any question about whether something is big or small, or whether it is being treated more or less as a priority, we have to be able to compare it to something. And when we are talking about money, one important thing to which we should compare spending is the price level.